my people, I don't come today. Today na pidgin I wan speak. Wetin I wan talk today be hypertension. I wan talk to una about hypertension. Wetin be hypertension? The thing wey I even wan tell us be say some people dem dey talk plenty things wey no true about hypertension, about the thing wey we dey call hypertension. Wetin be this hypertension and wetin be this thing wey people dey talk up and down? This thing wey people dey talk up and down na im we dey call myth. Myth dem be those things wey no true. No be myth wey we dey chop for table or for food. Myth, myths. These people dem go just dey talk everything wey dem know up and down, make you no lis ten to them. Now come lis ten to me about hypertension. Hypertension na disease wey be say how I go take talk am now wey you go understand. Wait, I go understand. If you say the pressure wey dey the pipe wey dey carry blood round our body, the pressure don dey too much. Make I give example. If you get pumping machine for house and you come get pipe and one of the pipes don block, wetin you go think say go happen to your pumping machine? Your pumping machine go dey pump very well. E go dey use energy to dey pump make e dey overcome the place wey e don block. Abi I no lie? Abi I lie? Sorry. Don't mind my pidgin. I'm trying to pass the message. Okay, so when one pipe don block now, the pumping machine go dey work and e go dey force itself. Na that thing dey happen for hypertension. The thing be say hypertension no get cure. Sorry, that one no be bad news. Abi? I'm so sorry, but that one na truth, because I dey hear say some people dem dey talk say hypertension get cure. E no get cure o, but you fit dey take your drug. If you dey take your drug very well, you fit dey live normal life. In fact, you fit live longer than anybody else gan. If you dey take your drug well, drug wey doctor go write for you. I dey hear say some people dey talk say if you dey eat food wey no get salt, if you dey take the roadside, all those drugs wey dem dey sell for roadside, those herbal medicine, that your hypertension go. No lis ten to them o, na lie. If you know say you get this hypertension, that thing wey dem go pump for hospital for you, if you know say you get am, if dem tell you say the thing don high, make you go look for a doctor wey go write medicine for you and make you dey take your medicine. You see, I don see people wey get little their own BP, their own blood pressure, e just high small and dem get stroke and dem no recover. I don see them o. You think say I dey lie? I no dey lie. So the thing be say if you dey eat food wey no get salt, e good for you, or food wey salt wey na little salt dey inside, e good for you well. The thing be say that food wey you dey eat go help you make your body respond well to the drug wey you dey take. Somebody is looking at my pidgin. So the thing be say that one no be the solution. The solution be say make you take your drug. If dem don prescribe drug for you, make you take am. I hear say some people dem dey talk say if dem give you drug and the BP don come down, make you stop your drug. No lis ten to them. If your BP don come down, make your doctor know. Na your doctor go say okay, stop this drug you get. Abi your doctor go reduce am small. No lis ten to them o. Anybody wey talk say madam, your BP don go, no take your drug again. No, that person no be your doctor. Make una lis ten to your doctor very well. So and all those things wey me I dey hear people dey talk about. Shey you people you know say hypertension na disease of the black. The fact say you dey Africa, if you no dey Africa, this one no concern you. If you no dey Africa, this one no concern you. But if you be African, hypertension na disease of the black. So if you be African, you fit get hypertension. If your mother or your father or your cousin or your sister don get am, you too you fit get am. If you be the kind of person wey go sit down for one place like this, e no go work. You go dey send people up and down, go buy this one, go do this, you no dey move up and down, you fit get hypertension. If you fat well well, you fit get hypertension. If you no dey do exercise, you fit get hypertension. E get some disease wey dey for body wey fit cause hypertension on their own o. Those ones na your doctor go give you drug make dem treat that one. If you dey take food wey get salt, plenty salt, dem give you food, you go tell say the salt no dey enough, you go come add your own salt with my brother, my sister, you fit get hypertension. Yes. Now, e get all other things wey fit cause hypertension. I just don mention few. You dey smoke, you dey drink alcohol, you fit get hypertension. The koko be say anything wey you wan hold like this concerning hypertension, make you wait, make your doctor tell you. All this lie wey dey fly around, make you no lis ten to am o. You know say my name na Bola Health, Bolanle Aderenyu. The thing wey I like most in this world be say make I dey see people, make dem dey live healthy. Na that is why I dey tell you all these things. Alright, please don't mind my pidgin English. I know that I didn't say it very well, but I think the message is passed. Thank you very much for always watching my video. I love you and I want you to be in health. Once again, my name is Bolanle Aderenyu. I prefer people call me Bola Health. Bye.